Today, I'll walk you through how to redirect or forward a domain using CloudFlare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up domain forwarding so you can seamlessly direct traffic to your new site. Let's get started. First, open your CloudFlare dashboard. This is your control center for managing your domains and settings. If you don't see the exact layout I'm describing, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. CloudFlare updates its interface occasionally. Next, select the domain you want to work with and navigate to the Overview section. This is where you'll find essential information about your domain, including its current settings and status. Now, we'll move on to the DNS settings. Click on DNS and then look for the Records section. Here you'll want to click on Add Record. For the type, select A. In the name field, enter the @ symbol for root domain redirection, or specify a subdomain like blog if that's what you need. For the IPv4 address, use the dummy IP address 192.0. 2.1, which is reserved for documentation and testing purposes. Ensure that the proxy status is set to proxied, indicated by the orange cloud icon. Once everything is configured, click Save. This step is crucial as it establishes the foundational redirection. Next, we'll create a single redirect rule. In the left navigation sidebar, go to Rules and then Overview, or you might see it labeled as Redirect Rules. Click on Create Rule and select Single Redirect. Here, you'll need to set a rule name such as domain forwarding to keep things organized. Now, let's configure the match conditions and redirect settings. For the match conditions, you'll set the field to hostname, the operator to equals, and in the value field, enter the domain you want to redirect, like olddomain.com or sub.olddomain.com. This tells CloudFlare when to trigger the redirect. Next, set the redirect action, which determines where to send the traffic. For type, you can choose either dynamic or static. A static redirect will send all incoming traffic to a specific fixed URL. In the URL field, enter the target URL, for example, https://newdomain.com. This is where your visitors will land after the redirect. Finally, click Deploy at the bottom of the page to activate your new rule. Congratulations, you've successfully set up domain forwarding using CloudFlare. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.